You are managing an Azure subscription and intend to implement enterprise-scale landing zones following the Microsoft Cloud Adoption Framework for Azure. Your architecture consists of a single platform landing zone dedicated to shared services and 3 distinct application landing zones, each supporting a specific workload. Identify the resource that should be deployed to establish a foundational requirement for shared service connectivity within the landing zones, in alignment with CAF best practice guidelines for enterprise-scale environments. The options are Option A, an Azure Firewall instance; Option B, an Azure Virtual Network Gateway; Option C, an Azure Private DNS Zone; Option D, an Azure Key Vault instance.
Essentially, this question asks you to identify a core infrastructure component required to ensure consistent connectivity and identification across different landing zones in a cloud-scale deployment. Consider which of these services provides the necessary framework for name resolution across segmented virtual networks.
In my view, the correct answer is option C, an Azure Private DNS Zone. According to the Microsoft Cloud Adoption Framework, centralizing DNS management is a foundational requirement. By deploying private DNS zones within your platform landing zone and linking them to your application landing zones, you ensure consistent and reliable name resolution across your entire enterprise architecture, especially when utilizing private endpoints.
Why are the other options incorrect? Azure Firewall and Virtual Network Gateways are typically reserved for the connectivity subscription, or hub, rather than being mandatory components for every individual landing zone. As for Azure Key Vault, while it is critical for security, it is generally considered an application-specific resource, rather than foundational infrastructure for the environment's connectivity for the environment.